Greetings. We have a question on our hands. So this question is about sets and it's taken from the book New General Mathematics Book 3. Question yedu iri kuti, in a group of 10 university students, 6 are taking mathematics, 5 philosophy, and 7 economics. 3 take maths and philosophy, 2 philosophy and economics, and 4 economics and maths. Each student is taking at least one of these subjects. How many of the students are taking all 3 subjects? Zvatichatanga kuita panapa, we are going to collect the data. Saka pataurwa kuti in a group of 10 university students, zvinoreva kuti we are having a universal set which is equal to 10 students. Then wataudzwa kuti 6 are taking mathematics. Then those who are taking mathematics students shall represent with the set M and they are 6. Zvikanzi 5 take philosophy. So before we go on to the 5 who take philosophy, there's a technical error I want to correct here. 10 students is not the universal set, but rather the number of elements in the universal set. But this technicality haitikanganise kusvika paanza pedu, saka it's just there for proficiency in how we are communicating the mathematics, but it's not material to our answer. Saka tiri panhau iyi taudzwa kuti 5 take philosophy. So philosophy students, the set is called P and it's 5. Zvikanzi and 7 economics. So economics students, the set is E and it's 7. So we have 3 subsets in this Venn diagram. Nakuti 3 subsets in this universal set. Ndobva zvazonzi 3 take maths and philosophy. Saka if 3 are taking both maths and philosophy, in set language, cannot in sets language, zvinoreva kuti M intersecting P is equal to 3. Since 3 take maths and philosophy, maths intersecting philosophy is equal to 3. I think this is understandable because we've illustrated this information times without number. Ndobva tataurirwa pamberi kuti 2 philosophy and economics. So philosophy and economics, philosophy intersecting economics is equal to 2. Then zvazonzi 4 and 4 economics and maths. Economics and maths, economics intersecting mathematics, that is 4. Mubvunzo wakuti each student is taking at least one of these subjects. Information yataurwa panapa iri kungotiudza kuti if we take the union of M, P and E, M union P union E, and we take the complement of this union, we are going to get 0. So pataurwa panapa pachinzi each student is taking at least one of these subjects. Tikaita flip this sentence, zviri kungonzi hakuna student isina subject rairi kutora. Saka kana kusina student isina subject rairi kutora, patichadraw our Venn diagram panapa like this. This is going to be our Venn diagram. We have 3 subsets, tina M, tina P, tina E. So this is our Venn diagram. Zvoreva kuti kunze kunoku, the complement of the union of M, P and E is equal to 0 since each student is taking at least one of these subjects. Hapana student, 10 university student vatorwa vari kuita comprise our universal set. Hapana student isina subject rairi kuita. The actual question iri kuti, how many of the students are taking all three subjects? How many of the students are taking all three subjects? Saka tinouya pano toti, let X be students taking all three subjects. Saka X is going to be the students who are taking all three subjects. Saka information yedu yese taanayo, chasara ndechekuti we have to fill it in the Venn diagram. So before we go anywhere, we know that X is the number of students who are taking all three subjects. X inoenda papi. We have to identify kuti X ichaenda papi. So this is a very critical, very pivotal, very vital step to assign X to mean all three subjects. Saka kuasaina kwataita uku, X iri kutoanswer question, because question yedu iri kuti how many of the students are taking all three subjects. So if we look at our Venn diagram, X yedu ichaenda papi. Tikatarisisa tichaona kuti X ichauya pakati panapa. Because if X is representing students taking all three subjects, these students vari kurepresentwa na X, they are taking mathematics because vari muset remaths. They are taking philosophy because vari futi muset reP. They are taking economics because vari zvakare muset reE. So this is the point where we have our X. Then from ta-identify pachaenda X, our next step, takuita fill in, tichitanga nema intersections. Saka, before we look at my intersections, we should understand the wording of the question. Question yedu iri kuti, kutanga nepanapa pakanzi, 3 take maths and philosophy. So I want you to compare this with question yatakaita one of our practice questions pamasets yaiva ne 3 subsets mukati meVenn diagram. Wording yequestion iyo yanga yakati, for example, M intersecting P, but yobva yati only. Saka apo tangoudzwa kuti 3 are taking maths and philosophy, hazvina kunzi only. So what we have to do here is, since we are told kuti 3 are taking maths and philosophy, it means kuti 3 inofanirwa kuya panapa, but we have to subtract X. What is the logic of this? Pa3 vari kutora maths nephilosophy, tiri kuda kusubtracta vari kuzotora economics. Pa3 vari kutora maths and philosophy, zvataudzwa kuti M intersects P, we have to subtract X because X iri kurepresenta vari kutora masubjects ese. Inotanga takaudzwa kuti 3 take maths and philosophy only, zvoreva kuti paintersection panapa taingonoisa 3. But since pasina kunzi only, zvinoreva kuti we still have to subtract those who are taking all 3 subjects. So this was the turning point in this question. This was the turning point in this question. Tikatarisa our next fact iri kutaura iyo ichiti to take philosophy and economics, hazvina kunzi only, saka we go to philosophy and economics. To panapa, we still subtract those who are taking everything, kuti tisare nevari kungotora philosophy neeconomics. Saka pa2 vari kutora philosophy neeconomics, tinoda kubvisa ari kuzotora maths pamusoro pezvozvo. Tiri kungoda vari kutora philosophy and economics. We do the same for economics and mathematics. Saka it's 4. We subtract X. I want you to take note of the timestamp. Like, consider kuti apa it's around how many minutes since we have started this lesson. And if you did not understand my explanation here, I want you to ask me. Pamunosvika pa this point in the lesson, in the video, and you don't understand this explanation, please tell me before you continue. Because if you don't understand here, it's going to be very difficult to understand where our question is going. Okay. We are told that 6 students are taking maths. Saka, the students who are taking maths, it's 6. But we have to subtract those who are taking maths and philosophy, those who are taking all the 3 subjects, those who are taking maths and economics. Kuti tisarwe tingori nevari kutora maths chete. Because this region of the Venn diagram represents those who are only taking maths. Then this region, those who are taking maths and philosophy. Here, those who are taking all 3 subjects. And here, those who are taking maths and economics. Saka tasubtracta zviri muno nemuno nemuno. Because zviri under the set of M, the set of maths. Going back to one of our sets questions, we did it yesterday. Today is the 10th of April 2025. Check the video we uploaded on the 9th of April 2025 to have a better understanding here. Because taakuchiita zvatakadiscussa nezuro tichiti the balancing of the set. So balancing off the set. What does it mean to balance off the set? Rekuti 6, which represents every element inside the set of mathematics, subtracting these 3 intersections. So that's 6 minus 3 minus x, and it in brackets, plus x, plus 4 minus x, like this. Saka panapa space yanakwana, but don't worry, tichazonyatso kudemonstrate pasi apa zviri kufamba sei. So it's 6 subtracting munom plus munom plus munom. But since tiri kusubtracta apa taisa chi maboxed brackets aya zvese zvari kusubtracta tikazviisa mukati imomo. Nditi. Okay, that is the same thing we are going to do for philosophy. We are told that we have 5 students for philosophy. Saka it's going to be 5 minus boxed brackets 3 minus x plus x plus 2 minus x, like this. Nditi. Saka tiri kusubtracta 5 minus intersections ari 3 aya kuti tisarwe nema-students ari kungoita philosophy only. Then for economics, I want you to tell me for economics kuti what is going to subtract what. So try to write it down, then I will write it myself. Actually, it's going to be 7 subtracting bracket 4 minus x plus x plus bracket 2 minus x close bracket, like this. Okay, saka tadai manje our Venn diagram is looking crowded, so we have to solve zvinhu zviri mukati mema subsets edu before we proceed. So how do we solve that? Tikauya pano pasi panapa tobva tati isusu togona ngoti maths only, students who are taking maths only. Saka ma-students aya akamira sei? Tiri kuti 6 subtracting then bracket 3 minus x plus x plus 4 minus x close bracket. So let us write it down. Let us solve for maths only. Saka panapa tenge takuti 6 minus, then solve zviri mabrackets first. Saka panapa it's just 3 minus x plus x plus when we're multiplying a positive by a positive inoramba iri positive, then a positive by a negative inoramba iri negative. So in essence we're going to plus 4 minus x, like this. Saka tiri pano, let us solve mukati muno first. So it's 6 minus, we are going to say let us cancel out first, saka minus x chakanzelana na plus x because minus x plus x zvakafanana nekuti x minus x which is equal to 0. So we are left with 3 plus 4 which is 7. So panapa tina 7 minus x. Tadaro tova tazoti 6 minus times 7 is minus 7 and minus times minus x the plus x. So 6 minus 7 the minus 1, so it's minus 1 plus x. Kureva equal kuti, here we have x plus, we have x minus 1. I'm going to rearrange this. So instead of kunyora zvese, the answer is just x minus 1. We just write x minus 1. Let us do the same for here. Tabva kuita maths only, ngatichitai philosophy only. So philosophy only. Students who are taking philosophy only. So tonight I say it's actually 5 minus, then it's 3 minus x plus x plus 2 minus x, like this. So we are going to solve what is in the brackets first. So it's 5 minus, here we are multiplying 1 into a bracket. Tinongonyora sezvariri. 3 minus x plus x, then plus 2 minus x. Hondo inongouya kana paine minus panapa. Kana paina plus, tinongonyora sezvazviri. Saka minus x yakukanzelana na plus x. Kureva kuti tichasarwa tina 3 plus 2 which is 5. So it's 5 minus x. Of which minus times 5 ndi minus 5. Saka pano tina 5 minus 5, then minus, multiplying minus ndi plus, plus x. Of which 5 minus 5 ndi 0, kureva kuti our answer, our answer is x. That means kuti instead of kunyora zvese, we just have to write x. Let us do the same for economics. So takuita economics only. Economics only. Saka economics only tinoita sei. So panapa yakanzi iyo 7 subtracting 4 minus x ma brackets plus x plus 2 minus x, like this. Saka panapa tichati isusu 7 subtracting, then panapa pana 1 inongodzoka iri 4 minus x plus x, pano pana plus, saichadzoka ingori plus 2 minus x, like this. Minus x chakanzelana na x, kureva kuti tinenge tina 7 subtracting 4 plus 2 ndiani ndi 6, so it's 6 minus x. Then tika multiply minus na 6 ichauya iri minus 6, tika multiply minus na minus x ichauya iri plus x. Saka panapa we are saying 7 minus 6 which is 1 plus x, yatichanyora takangotichi x plus 1. Kureva kuti instead of kunyora zvese, we just have to write x plus 1. X plus 1. So this is our new Venn diagram. Let us use it to answer the question. Question iri kuti, how many of the students are taking all 3 subjects? So since isusu tati, let x be students taking all 3 subjects. Zvoreva kuti kana tikawana x, tinenge tatowana our answer, of which kunze kunoku hakuna chinhu. Ndosaka tati m union p union e complement is equals to 0. Zvatawana pa statement rakanzi each student is taking at least one of these subjects. So this is it. Toda tsvaga x. So x tinoiwana sei? We are going to add everything inside the Venn diagram and add it to 10. Why 10? Because taudzwa kuti all the students we are dealing with are 10. The number of elements of the universal set is equal to 10. So let us do the addition. So I think it best tikazviitira panapa. Saka tiri kuti isusu x minus 1 and it equal kureva e plus 3 minus x toti plus x plus 4 minus x plus 2 minus x toti plus x plus 1 is equal to 10. Saka x minus 1 tanyora e 3 minus x the e x the iyo x iri pakati the e zvakare 4 minus x e 2 minus x e x plus 1 e is equal to 10. Let us solve this the equation iri. How do we solve it? Saka panapa inongodzoka iri x minus 1 but remove my brackets plus 3 minus x tatati since itongori x plus x togonangoti plus 2x panapa toti plus 4 minus x plus 2 minus x plus x plus 1 is equal to what? 10. Saka let us see kuti pane zvinokanselewa here. X ino ish yakutokanselana nechi minus x. Then minus 1 plus 3 yakafanana nekuti 3 minus 1 kureva kuti panapa ndiani? Ndi 2. Oro tinongoti if we have different signs minus 1 plus 3 we subtract normally and take the sign of the bigger number. Kureva kuti tinongoti 3 minus 1 towana 2, the sign of the bigger number is the positive because 3 is bigger. Todaro manje tobva tati is there anything to cancel panapa? Of course minus x yokuchekana nex inoi. Saka izvi tatodhila nazvo handiri. Takunyora chi? Let us collect my numbers chete. Saka takunyora plus 4 kucheka panapa, takunyora plus 2 kucheka panapa, takunyora plus 1 kucheka futishi panapa. Then panapa it's takunyora ma x edu kureva kuti we have plus 2x e ne minus x inoi. Zvinhu zvese zvachekwa kureva kuti zvese zvashandiswa handiri. This is equal to 10. What is 2 plus 4? 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it's 9. And it toti plus what is 2x minus x the x is equal to 10. Kureva kuti x iri equal to 10 subtracting 9. Why tadaro? Because 9 yajamba equal sign yanga iri positive saka inosvika kuiri chi a negative. Then x is equal to 1. But we still have to answer our question. Question yedu kunoku yati how many of the students are taking all 3 subjects? Satinge tangoya kunoku toti therefore 1 Phineas student is taking all three subjects. So this is our answer. Do you have a question? I would understand if you have one. Please use the comments section to ask your question and I will attend to it, I promise. But if you want extra lessons, if you want tutoring sessions, if you want exam coaching, you can get to me on WhatsApp on this number 7104691550. Otherwise, take care and have a blessed day.